Hey guys, let me run you through my spread. I added a couple things. So I have a bubble box here and I put day off and lazy day. Those are both from Let's Planet also, and it's because it's MLK Junior Day. I will have this Plan With Me uploading this day, and down here I will mark my friend's birthday. I also have a car insurance payment due, and here I'm going to write no mail so I don't think I need to go get the mail. Over here I'll have vitamin, skincare, and reading, and then this will be steps because I've got dinners here and hydrate here. On Tuesday we go back to work, and I think it's just a pretty normal day. Wednesday's a pretty normal day as well. I might have a haul going up one of these 2 days, but I didn't want to put it in there yet because I'm not sure when I'm going to get it finished, so I didn't put that in yet, and I just left myself some room. And this is the day the Simply Gilded subscription charges. And I have room, like if I want to put a bubble box, or I have like these quarter boxes here. I've got room for that down here, so I didn't cover that up yet. Thursday I will have a haul going up, and then I also have open house that day, so like prospective new students coming to look at the school, and again I've got room for a quarter box in case I need it. And then Friday we have an award ceremony, which I'll probably put down here, and then what was that for? I think I put that for a meeting, but that's my staff meeting is tomorrow, not this day. I don't know what I'm using that for. That might have to change. And then I will film the next week's Plan With Me here, and then I edit and upload on the weekends. I'll do my full week spread. I put the weekend banner, and I just left some room in case I need to write. And all the TVs can either be for what I'm watching or what I'm planning, filming, uploading, whatever. They're kind of dual purpose for me, or I can throw another icon over them if I need to. I just figured I would put them in because I had them in every color. Let's see. Was that it? Did I say my friend's birthday was on the 15th? And then we have an award ceremony. Oh, maybe that was, I don't know. I think I put that for staff meeting, but my staff meeting's tomorrow, not next Friday. Couldn't tell you guys. I'm really tired. So this is my spread. This is beautiful, even though it's like really, really warm out. Kind of got goofed up with all these like wintry spreads, and it's like 50 degrees out. It was like 67 the other day, which is definitely not normal for Colorado. And like when I went back home to Wisconsin, it was like -20. So I don't know. This is crazy. But I really like the spread. It's very, very pretty. I love her paper. This is her old paper, and her new paper is even better. I still have a lot left. I've got icons, quarter boxes, these scripty things, bill dues, which I didn't end up using because I didn't realize till after. And then I just kept it as little things. And then I've got the checklist. I have a half box, sidebar, and then 2 bubble boxes. I have some little things and some headers. I have a bubble box, and these are washi strips. I have a time to relax, a cleanup, and some date numbers. And then again, these are all washi strips. So I have quite a bit left. Oh, and I have a checklist box here. Quite a bit left, but I have a very, very, very full spread, which is pretty typical of her kids. So again, this is Let's Planet. I will link her shop down below, and definitely check her out. She's a great, great shop. Definitely one of my favorites. And yeah, I hope you liked the fast forward spread put down. I don't know what to call that. Sped up. There you go. Sped Up Plan With Me. If you don't like that, please let me know. If you want to hear different music, let me know that too. Any thoughts, comments, concerns, questions? Leave it all down below. And if you want to hear more in depth, definitely watch my other Plan With Me's for this same week. I'll talk a little bit more in those. All right, you guys, have a good night. Bye.